guys, what's up? It's Lauren Fry for CTV and you're watching Music Madness. This past weekend was only the beginning of the crazy month for the music scene here in Charleston that comes to us every year in October. As Halloween gets closer and closer, the music only gets louder and better. Starting tonight, Wednesday the 20th, Circa Survive will be playing at the Music Farm. Tomorrow night, Thursday the 21st, Telepath will be coming to the Poorhouse, and he hasn't been to town in a while, so I'm sure that a great crowd will be there for the show. On Friday, the 22nd, you have the choice of whether you want to see Sister Hazel playing at the Music Farm or Your Mama's Big Fat Booty coming to the Poorhouse. I've seen them before live, and they are a great time. And Poorhouse is a great venue to visit as well, so if you haven't been there yet and you have the night off, I definitely recommend going to see them. On Saturday, Perpetual Groove will be coming to the Music Farm. However, if you aren't looking to get into the groove and more ready to get your costume on and get in the vibe for Halloween, then Skinful is the place for you. Skinful is a great music event that comes to Charleston every Halloween, and it's going to be at a new place this year at the Brick House Kitchen on Folly Road. It starts at 7 and it will end at 4 o'clock in the morning, so if you head out there, be prepared for a long night of fun. Well, that's it for this week's Heads Up on the must-sees coming to town this weekend. But I'll be back with more for you to do on the busy weekend of Halloween coming right around the corner. For this week's Music Madness, I'm Lauren Fry.